Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Vlogmas day 20, and today, from the title, as you can see, we're gonna be playing a little as a game. We're gonna do it as, like, I'm not gonna really call it challenge, it's just a little game, and it's called This or That. So basically we're going to do it Jamaican food edition, like food we eat nowadays or back then food. We just kind of put a little mixture together. We're gonna do 10 of them. No, so this is not our original idea. This has been out there before, so this is not our original idea. First of all, as I said, it's just a little game that we saw, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna try it. So we're gonna use it with Jamaican food. So we are gonna do 10 of them. I'm gonna start out now. So for the first one, I'm gonna do that for the first one. Let's start off easy. Jackass corner, police button. I start off easy.
Jackass can for me straight.
No, that
because me love Jackass can.
50 pack with you.
That's straight Jackass can, yeah. Okay. You know, so that wouldn't be a problem for me.
Alright, so mommy said Jackass can. For me, without the police button them taste nowadays, I have to go same way with the Jackass can too. Because police button them not really work out.
Straight Jackass can.
So I would have to go with the Jackass can. Alright. Number 2. Fried dumpling with liver or fried dumpling with kidney. This one's a little bit harder.
Yeah, this is a kind of like hard to make up your mind
because it goes well with the both
well with both of them. But it's hard, you know, but I gotta say kidney, even though I'm not cook kidney, because kidney have a very nice texture when it's properly cooked. It have a beautiful, and let me pronounce the word properly and not talking about texture. The word is texture. So I love but cook it with liver more.
You cook it with liver more than you cook it with kidney.
But kidney for me, that go to once the kidney is properly cooked, and I don't eat a chewy kidney. You know, some people cook kidney and we just a chewy, you know, hard. I eat them kind of kidney there.
Alright, so mommy say kidney. I'm gonna say liver. I'm much more of a liver person, specifically cow liver. I don't eat chicken liver. I never eat it.
You're the favorite. But it's the most nutritious liver though.
Why? What? I don't understand why.
And it's easy to cook. But you never go wrong with chicken liver. It can't be tough with chicken. But the thing is, with the liver,
when you cook cow liver or goat liver specifically properly, they have a
goat liver has a beautiful.
I think you cooked it once already. Yeah. It was so
goat liver is the creme de la creme of our livers. The texture. Oh, it's beautiful. When you get a nice goat liver, if you go all and tough, you know, you have to go, you know. Yeah, you have to go do some tenderizing. But if you get a nice, reasonable, goat liver is beautiful. Yeah. I didn't remember goat liver.
But personally for me, I would prefer the fried dumpling with the liver in this instance. Mostly because I would prefer the fried dumpling with the liver. With kidney now, I prefer boiled dumpling with kidney.
But the thing, why me not cook kidney so often, you know, I don't like to clean up the kidney.
Yeah, that too.
That is, I love, like, literally loves kidney. But me not like clean up the kidney.
It's really hard to something there to clean up.
Kidney.
Liver not so bad for clean up.
No. Come on, I'm only buy liver for and always strip it.
Why me attack as if me clean up need that?
Like you clean up none. You're right. Cock mouth kill cock.
Alright. Next one. Neeseberry or star apple?
Neeseberry. I want to stop with now. Neeseberry from me.
Why couldn't the star apple?
Because I'm not a fan of star apple. For whatever reason, I forgot to eat star apple. Star apple I can't stay.
Neeseberry don't taste good.
Oh no, Neeseberry is just for me.
And just for you, yes, because you always eat them something.
But a nice quarter dozen are nice big ripe juicy Neeseberry. Way to go.
Where's you know grainy that is? You know grainy Neeseberry is?
No, it's not all of them grainy. You have some, I think instead of grainy one named Sandberry. I'm not sure. But then we have one really sunny and one is very smooth. One of them is very smooth and one has a grainy taste.
Try whichever one me get the time if I work out food.
It was very grainy. But me not to believe that the Sandberry one day anything official. I'm just somebody does chat so. Because some people just love anticipate things, you know. Yeah, just bring over and so where you get that from? Them not get it from nowhere. So some people, yeah, you don't know that too. Don't some people just come and say, Let me just come and say. The glasses here come with the patola here. Yet still them know say pat everybody knows say patola and glasses would make a good combination. And then just get a name same time. Patola glasses and yeah man, I saw it name. There's some people are so delusional. Don't know that, don't you?
Delusional.
I'm not delusional, that's all. What do you call that? No, of course you delusional. You could have ever think say this and this go together. Yeah man, that glasses.
No,
I'm just giving.
No, it's delusional, yes, but me get where Jeff.
Yeah, and them just fit a name on it, and you know come and thing it name man. Yeah man, this yes, and them and pair it together, and it's just come and say yeah man, and they two of them come together. You see them? Yeah, it name patola glasses and no go so. So I think that person that told me that one name Sandberry and one name Nisberry, I just feel
But Sandberry, I've never heard a thing called Sandberry, and
that is how some people are. In other words, me say them delusion, but you know some people just lie and chat until them, you know them where the family lie and just them take until them believe them one lie. Let's get back to the video.
Yeah, alright. So when me say Nisberry, I said star apple. I'm not a Nisberry eater. I don't like Nisberry. Had it once. Wasn't a fan.
Uncle star apple, but no more than one.
I'm a star apple person. I'll eat maybe 3 or 4 in a day. I don't know if that is right to eat, but me do it and me still alright. Alright, so we're gonna go back to some more cooked food now. We're gonna do fried chicken, rice and peas, curry gravy, or rice and peas and turkey neck.
Oh, that's tight. Fried chicken, rice and peas, fried chicken and curry
gravy, or turkey neck and rice and peas.
That one they sticky. Don't it family comment. Hard for make your choice. Jeez.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
Rice and peas, fried chicken and curry gravy. Rice and peas, comment. They can't comment, you know. You tell them they can't comment, you know. Comment and which one she said. Rice and peas, yeah. Because you don't know the curry, look a curry thing with the fried chicken and yeah, you don't
in my opinion, definitely I would say what mom said to rice and peas, fried chicken and curry gravy. In my opinion,
it makes something clear. Add fame because I love turkey neck and
I love turkey neck too. And by the time we did the cook rice and peas and turkey neck, well, it was such a good dinner.
Oh, that Sunday, Jesus.
That was such a good dinner.
I think they did do it when they cook along something.
That was a really good dinner.
Like Terence, him did that person I never eat him, they be me enjoy me dinner.
But you see, the thing is, in my opinion, I feel like fried chicken, rice and peas and curry gravy is supposed to be Jamaican new national dish, you know, because people eat that more than them eat ackee and saltfish.
And once them hear say curry cook and fried chicken, some of them who can pay for mixed lunch,
they will pay for
that. But who can't pay for the mixed lunch, they would say, give me curry gravy on the fried chicken, you know, yeah.
Alright. Next, this is a controversial one, and I want you guys to tell me in the comment section which one you pick and why, because I really want to know why. Because I'm not gonna see a difference. I see a difference, but it's not that serious. Oxtail or turkey neck?
Straight turkey neck. No, but I even straight turkey neck.
But I ever asked it to.
No, but I even asked it to. Because this oxtail, let me tell you, I would understand back then. You don't know that oxtail. Back then oxtail. If you did say back then oxtail, but I say I go for oxtail because that flavor, no, that's the thing, man. And they can comment as you said to them can comment. But right now, to be honest, you know why I jump on the turkey neck bandwagon? Me not get the flavor from the oxtail. So me not see why. Maybe them people want the oxtail now never know back then oxtail like I mean in my 20s. Oxtail had a flavor. You never have to season it up, so. It has this flavor. Me eat it a couple times from where you know. When not from where a few times, maybe about 3 times or so. Turns out I give none, come no one. I'm searching. Comment family, no can comment. Me a search for the oxtail flavor. Not even that nice gumminess me now feel.
Let me tell you, when did I think you did oxtail a couple times as well.
And nobody eat it in here.
Not that we don't eat it. We eat it a little. We eat it a little one time. And that's about it. For me personally, I will go with the turkey neck. And here is why. There is no reason I must be paying so much money for bone.
And I want something for say.
There
People
is
that talk
no
about say
reason.
turkey neck favor oxtail and turkey neck and oxtail are two. Me not make a
Turkey neck
mistake
and
on
oxtail
that.
are two different.
Two different.
I wouldn't
because the
necessarily...
oxtail bone is definitely shaped different.
They're similar, yes, maybe in you know,
and they have
shape
different.
and stuff,
they have
but
different.
They have different looks
right,
to
they
them.
come like
But it looks like two of them look the same nowadays. Because when I went to the supermarket,
not the turkey neck more taste.
when I went to the supermarket and I saw the oxtail compared to the turkey neck,
and then no, when me buy oxtail, me hear my butcher say, "Ma give me the white one. It's easier for cook." So I don't know what I want. I want type of oxtail. Maybe the wrong one me I get. Him said, Miss Debbie, may I get the white one? It's easier for cook, so. When you comment and tell me what's with this white oxtail.
But I am definitely.
But me buy oxtail and me get the white one, and it just
when you did
the white one, to be honest, easy for cook. I don't know what kind of oxtail, but it's easy for cook. I don't need the pressure cooker or nothing.
When you did the oxtail,
the other oxtail, the regular oxtail, I not get no taste from it either.
When you did the oxtail the time, I didn't necessarily enjoy the meat of it.
The gravy, yes, the gravy was there. Oh, the gravy was
the
good.
Gravy was
yeah,
good.
You must find some gravy on the live the morning. I mean, never get it Friday. The gravy was good, but
I wasn't feeling the meat, but the gravy was really
the gravy is the stand predominant. That rich, thick oxygen. I guess it's the beans. It's the beans. It is the beans that gives it the body. And the beans.
That's so. When somebody I feel
why when me see other people are going for oxtail nowadays,
I'm a turkey neck person. Not saying that, you know.
See me a two pack in there right now for cook for my Christmas
dinner. Cook them for your dinner, exactly.
I will tell you for my after you don't know.
Oh, and smoked turkey neck is even better too.
Oh yes.
Smoked turkey neck is really
smoked turkey neck is beautiful in stew peas. It's beautiful with the greens on its own. It's beautiful. You can't even use it and cook something the rice and peas like a barefoot rice and peas.
Yeah, it's really really good.
It's really, you can do so much with it.
Yeah, man. Okay, next one. Alright, we're gonna do another food. This is Escovitch Fish and Festival or Escovitch Fish and Bammy.
Escovitch Fish and Festival. Come in.
Why?
Because I am not. Like I have never said that. True. I like Bammy when Bammy is like just make.
Oh, like freshly made Bammy.
Freshly made with that nice fresh Bammy taste with that coming at it. And the only thing I like it with is original Jamaican chocolate tea. I want to dip it in my chocolate tea. I don't want it with anything. But I want it with nothing. Or if I have some rundown, some saltfish rundown. But my Bammy, to be a fan of Bammy, my Bammy must be freshly made. I get cassava and make me sure when the Bammy freshly made how it tastes. Like just come out of the pot. I do it already, but you were small because I have the video part.
Well, obviously.
Yeah. But you like liquor, you know, them picky me. You understand? But I'm gonna tell you, a freshly comment, a freshly made Bammy with Jamaican authentic chocolate tea. Oh my God! And if I even some rundown, coconut cut island, cause so me have to talk and just I close my eye and just imagine it. You never have to have the saltfish, but if you have saltfish in there, it's good.
Yeah,
but outside of that, I don't want to Bammy.
I'm definitely my Escovitch Fish and Festival person. Not a Bammy person. Why? Because I never normally, well, not when me fry Bammy. I don't fry Bammy because I don't really buy a lot of fry. But when I get Bammy from anywhere or anything of that sort, if I get a piece of Bammy or something, there's always two ways the Bammy them come. Either too oily or too tough. It is never. It is never at the right consistency for you to eat.
Because them in a rush, them don't know how to do it.
It's never at the right
consistency. Either dry and tough or full of oil.
So that's something I really.
Because Bammy take a little time to fry, you know.
Yeah, I know.
And I have fried. Like when I get catered,
come on, say you have to soak the Bammy.
Yeah.
Then after you soak the
you have to soak it for a time. When you soak it, you have to remove it from the liquid and let it drain off for a good time.
And then you put it into your
it into the oil. So anyway they want Friday, it matter to me because I'm not a Bammy. Anything they want to do, it doesn't matter to me because I won't be buying any because me no fancy.
Alright. This one is specifically for you. Why? Because I really need that for them. Yeah. Well, we can't really someone like needles for them because I've never tried one of them before, but the other one, I'm not eating that ever again. Bull and pear or hard bread and ripe banana.
But you know, that's a hard one for me.
That must hard for you because I hear them something down.
First time family. You don't know nothing. First time grotto bread or any farmer hardware bread and ripe banana. Right now I feel like I want to go with the hardware bread and ripe back. I can't take them whole floxy pear. I would make a see about the place and I'm bad bull them. So listen, I go for a ripe banana and a piece of hardware bread, especially the end part of the hardware bread. I mean that the bread was hard and firm, and when you I mean the bread was soft up in your mouth, you know. A nice firm ripe banana and a good end of hardware bread. Comment.
Obviously, I told you this one is for she, not me. Why? I've never had the hardware bread and the ripe banana.
Comment.
But that sound like anybody. Yes. But that sound like it tastes bad. That's just bread and ripe banana. That sound like it tastes bad. But bull and pear, you not catch me eat that again.
No, eat it, but me
no, you not catch. You could have won me down and I thought me not eating it. Not eating it. No.
Wait, do you?
Just like the tribe. It and the tribe in a same lane for me. The same lane. Tribe and bull and pear. You know, I catch me eat that.
Where's the tribe part? You know, in a tribe?
No, no, tribe business.
But when I bull and pear now, did me see me now about bull and pear?
Exactly.
I'll just look my name is bull and pear.
Really? That's what I say.
Me eat a piece of bull and most times me eat bull when my God St. Mary.
If we eat bull with like a little piece of cheese or, you know, some butter on it.
Yeah, me eat a piece of bull with the butter.
Yeah.
If me eat a little bit, but me not too like if me no want to go to me anytime see bull and cheese come in here, Terence buy.
Alright. We're gonna do this one. This is roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish, or roast breadfruit and salt mackerel rundown.
Yo, roast breadfruit and salt mackerel rundown. You know what?
Yeah, my friend.
I'm tired of ackee. I never like see ackee. Roast. Oh, you know that's a good one. I haven't had a. Hey, Kobe, roast breadfruit out the door.
Roast breadfruit out the door.
Breadfruit come today.
Oh, so it's salt mackerel definitely rundown.
I can buy a piece of salt mackerel road. And me have coconut round there.
Most breakfast.
You can, alright. Roast breakfast and then there. Me no want the breadfruit roast and forever. Me don't eat that, you know. Roast and
no, I said roast breadfruit.
Like fresh roast breadfruit and salt mackerel rundown.
Like fresh roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
And you just take it off of the fire and it is warm.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
And so, hey, girl.
Yeah, my friend.
How will you know about that?
I think you had done it already for a country if I'm not lying.
Roast bread,
yeah,
I
don't think you had done it with the roast breadfruit, but I think you did salt mackerel rundown with something else. And they said it should have
but
really
me I try to tell us the salt mackerel, if you get the turned breadfruit, that with the salt mackerel.
Turned breadfruit with this.
Oh, Jesus, why how many people them out, Joe?
Yeah, my friend. That's
whole place cold, you know, England cold, New York cold, Florida cold, and some chocolate tea.
What one day?
You don't even no, you don't know the chocolate tea.
I've never had the original chocolate tea before.
No,
so we can't really.
Never make it since. Me make it. Oh my God, no.
Never have it before the original one by itself.
Because Mama they tell me I'm never buy it from nobody.
So by default, obviously, I'm going to take the same roast breadfruit and salt mackerel because I don't eat ackee.
What you guys think? Comment and tell us. Me just tell that the ackee, Terence him start, Terence just make me lose. Me never know ackee every day, you know. But Terence him right now, me doesn't lose the ackee taste. Why me no know? In long time, me not even like see it.
Alright. I'm going to look for the next one for you now.
For me or for we? For everybody, for them.
For everybody. Alright. Goated soup or pepper pot soup?
Ooh. You know those are pepper pot. What? You drink what? No man, pepper pot soup, man. Real authentic pepper pot soup with the bird pepper in it. I have a pepper pot soup for do for them I sent me, you know. A pear rain up there now, you know, but they say any day I try I go get that river cocoa there. And me sure know if you find it, man. Go down in a river gully and go get the river cocoa, the heart, the one when I hope me yet. Any day I do that phone with piece of can again.
It's that day.
Area do eternal home.
I've never really had
pepper pot. I say pepper pot. I will drink some goated soup, but because goated soup is more like an appetizer. Because you know goated soup don't come with a lot of food. Yeah, my goated soup
no come with
no pumpkin and no dumpling or something.
But in hindsight, Goated soup not supposed to come with no but a dumpling.
It is an appetizer, but
and all of them
make the people them love the people make them do what they want to do. But why I say pepper pot
it's a
soup,
very light.
it is supposed to be a very light soup. But
just for calm down little gas when your stomach before the
and
before
no,
the food
and that
come.
you have to calm down. And then the thing is, it is to open your palate to
Exactly,
eat that
to-
curry
to-
goat and white rice and wild banana. Me tell them, me keep telling them, but things have changed. New set of people,
Yeah,
then
things
do
and
what they
time have
want to.
changed, so.
Make them do what they want to. Me no business with them. Anywho, but pepper pot soup for me over goated soup because goated soup is an appetizer. Pepper pot soup is a meal, like some pepper pot soup. Which get the river. My mother use pure river cocoa in the hot one. I tell them man, and can't I get banana dumpling girl. Remember me telling that Sure. Any day I do that phone, will I not take plane come and send me? That me I tell you no.
So by default for this one, would have to say goated soup because I've never really had pepper pot soup like that.
I don't think you'd want it. Though,
and the time when you made it, I would drink it.
No,
but
you
the time,
don't. You are so small. You're not eating.
The time
those
when
things.
you made it, I wasn't really into pepper like that. But now that my palate has grown and I'm a little bit better with it now,
and
I would definitely drink.
Look here, and
I would definitely
that
drink
you see, I'm able to push him make
it sounds like it.
Him like
tastes
it,
good.
but him.
The
Me have to
pepper
go
in
make it cause look here, pepper pot soup. You know your name. It name pepper pot soup. If you spicy, and the pepper that you use for this pepper pot soup is bird pepper. And a Scotch bonnet
So
you
see,
use for this.
that's why for by default would have to take
authentically, it's bird pepper, not Scotch bonnet. Oh, jeez.
Alright, come on, move on, man.
No, sir.
We're drinking cold water.
So when I just look right when my mother, oh God rest our soul. Oh Lord.
Alright. So this is the last one, but we're gonna have a little bonus one too. This is number 10. So this is jerk pork or jerk chicken.
Jerk pork or jerk chicken. My palate not eat about for jerk pork. Trenton, Sylvita can come for me. Trenton, me want jerk pork.
Alright. So you say jerk pork, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Jerk pork for me too. I'm a very big jerk pork lover. When I get a nice piece of jerk pork with some festival.
Properly seasoned.
I
don't wanna jerk pork where the meat. Nobody go there.
What is the word?
Go there.
What's the word? What's the word when you take off the hair off it? When you burn it off?
Swinge it like.
Swinged, yes. A proper piece of jerk pork
without no ear, properly seasoned, and really juicy and tender, and not the meat and not the pepper jerk and soft, kind of half soft.
And
the skin part. I mean, want my skin too.
I am so tired.
And the skin part tough.
I am so tired of going places. And the one thing when I ever buck up and which is why I don't eat pork from people anymore. Jerk pork or any pork.
Remember when you go
no, I don't even talk about it.
Say Jesus. And then that did all that.
And that was the time that turned me off since not to eat pork from people again. I
always tell you no. I always tell you say I don't know. Me no wanna jerk pork for nobody come me always bad luck if you get it to the whole by ear pan.
With the hair pan it, no matter
but comment, it turn me off. Me no like see ear in my food. Why you think every time, family? Why you think from I've been doing YouTube cooking videos and never see me with my ear open yet? Now man, ear properly cover man. The worst thing you can ever, well me, I don't know about nobody, is to taste ear in my mouth or taste ear pan meat. Me don't eat enough.
I don't know anywhere.
Alright.
No, I was really turned off by it because the thing is, it's not like say, oh, when you put a piece of meat in a mouth and eat that. No, it right pant up on me, right?
No, it was on it before you even.
Before me even taste it. So
it turned you off, man.
It was just so annoying to me, and me I wonder like what. And since then, I tried somewhere else, same thing. Me can't bother.
I'm gonna take up myself and we are only bad.
Alright, so we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna find one like a nice one for any time. We're gonna do a little bonus one.
We have to do this again in the outside Vlogmas in the car. Look here. We want to talk to some jerky. No, want jerky. Remember Adam? Jerky, I put the ketchup on my bread. But that jerk chicken, I was like, some bread, I have to do another one, man.
Bread swimming in ketchup.
Yeah, man, I don't want that, man. You're rude. I want that, brother.
I'm going to tell you now. I'm gonna try to find one nice little one. We have it here, so
yeah, we have to do a different one. We want to elaborate on some of them. This is one we want to elaborate on it.
No, this is not the elaborating one.
No, this is not the elaborating. We want to do the one with the elaborating pan. The potato ice cream them, but where you put on the corner, give me no bother. That next time. I'm not in it.
Oh.
Yeah,
wait, you know that's a good idea. No, I'm not gonna say it for that one, yeah. Is alright. I'm gonna do it for a different one. Alright.
Oh wow.
If I said it's been a while, you shame nobody. So I'm
Me
gonna do a different one.
Me shame people, me know nothing about people, Cobb.
So I'm gonna do a different one. Alright, no. This is a side dish with your food. Pasta or ravage. And there's a reason why.
You can't find a different
There's a reason why I didn't want to do this.
You can't find a different
one. Want your wishes list at the end of the day. Even though I know you're going to still want your thing.
Me too in the metal. I don't mind pasta, but these days, like the gluten and sitting with me, it not go down so well. So that's why I say, say whole wheat pasta. I'll do that one.
When I say
I'll
pasta,
do that one. Buy with you. Straight garbage.
Straight garbage.
When you go back in my cupboard.
Throw it out.
Yeah, because something wrong. But that is not fun.
When I say pasta, I mean like you get a plate of like rice and peas, fried chicken.
Me know another little piece of.
But
pasta supposed to be side dish.
Either pasta or ravage. The people them do it and some Christian pasta.
Well, me take the pasta because them ravage and I no want it. My mother would have said iotus. I don't even know. I guess that word of fear I have some first time because sometimes we always say them no word no goes, but maybe maybe I throw the pronunciation. But still to me, like I'm not eating out again, family. But I've gone to places. People invite me a wedding and then go eat it. I'm say, yo, what do you go from here, son man with the whole of cabbage and carrot?
And it's not even that, you know, the fact of the cabbage and carrot. That and also the fact that the cabbage and carrot look old.
Oh, really still? Come on. One of the things that we're idiot. We know when the carrot, it's not in the carrot, especially the cabbage. As soon as the cabbage, like a cup, you do it to the allies. So like when we something we do like lunch and so. By the time we reach in time of night, you see the edge of the cabbage black. Come on, we know that says steel. Come on, we're not feed with different. We don't want none.
And then pan top it with the raw veg.
So they just do it, some do it one little way now.
Little sugar and water over it.
Them always do it, but I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I not even talk about that. Put something else with the cabbage and the carrot now. Put one tin of corn now.
That too, like you guys
shred
can add stuff on
it. Cut little tin. I don't love sweet pepper like what. Cut up some tin red sweet pepper, some tin green one, and just make the thing look good. Cabbage, scrape it out of my food. I don't want it. Yeah, that what kind of vegetable?
You can put a little piece like a little corn, some tomato.
What kind of vegetable?
But to bad one piece of lettuce.
Hello, raw veg.
Hello. Some cucumber.
Restaurateurs cook shop and cook people. I not bash you, but I tell you something. Raw veg and not only cabbage and carrot. That's why I'm sure, but I notice nobody now watch it, you know. You can use this, I use the string bean. Yeah, them think they're ravage too, you know. No, I'm not ravage.
That's not ravage.
But what happened to lettuce?
You can put
and
lettuce,
cucumber. You can chop some tomato, some lettuce and some and you can
to be clear,
with the ravage.
Guys, you don't even have to use regular white cabbage. You can use
purple cabbage.
But I understand the purple cabbage is a bit expensive.
Very expensive. I get that. But and there is something that I don't like about it. It's very potent. It doesn't stand up as much as the white cabbage. But I can't comment. But the one they want me to come here. I don't think we do it if people cultivate it at Jamaica. It's on a very small scale. Not to bring to the supermarket. Them just do it for them household purpose. But I notice they break down easily. Them not stand up like the white cabbage. And that me not like about the purple cabbage. So I'm not gonna tell them to buy that because if you can buy purple cabbage put in our food, we can't pay for. But everything every day cabbage and carrot. I don't want it. Pep it up, cabbage and carrot with it.
You can do
cabbage and carrot, but pep it up. Put something with it. Loco corn. You understand? Little green peas. You chop some little different color bell pepper, dice it up fine and sprinkle it over it and bring it up.
Yeah.
This is so many times the carrot. I remember when you get the workless carrot, them you know when I have no color. And the wormy cabbage them. Do God, man. Do better than that, man. No, sir.
Alright, guys. So that is coming. This is the end, right?
Yeah, you have to come back with this again and come on vent.
I'm gonna do another part to it, guys, because as your mommy says, she want vent.
Yeah, I want vent. I'm not disrespect nobody, but I say, Lord God, man, we tired.
No, but things and times have changed
things
for sure. I definitely would like things to go back to the old, you know.
Yes, it's some different, like a plating and some different kind of something.
Than the regular every time.
Yeah.
But, so life going on, you have to live with it.
Me not live with it because I don't see me buy it, no way.
But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Me know not gonna roast me. But you don't can always roast me like a breadfruit. But that's just me, you don't know it. And I don't mean anything, but it's just the truth.
It's just our opinion.
I hope me never, because you know some people, everything them feel offended. Even I know do yeah them. Yeah, I feel offended. And me love jerky. Me always buy a nice piece of jerk chicken sometimes somewhere. But these days, me not buy.
That's what I say. I would buy jerk chicken from people, but jerk work, me not take them chances again.
Because we have too much bad experience.
It's when you've had too many bad experiences with something.
Me not buy no more jerk chicken neither, yeah, man.
Not a problem to buy jerk chicken. Some nice jerk chicken people.
Yeah, but I can't, you know, most of the powder I can't.
The powder, which is understandable. As I said, these are our opinions on.
Oh, my God sent me and the guy in my country.
That's good. Yeah. Those are good. Those are.
Isn't that what this support a thumper even? Yeah. Oh Lord, me say we did buy. Mr. Terence and Uncle Murph had disaggregated soup.
Hungry,
yeah, me hungry. Me bad. Me not drink a cup. I said the guy, me have to say to him, I say, hear me now. Say you cook goated soup, hear me. Yes, I say lie tell your father, you can't cook goated soup. You're too young for cook goated soup. No, say daddy cookie.
So yeah, guys, these are just our opinions on these specific type of foods that we chose to talk about.
And if they want us to do
another part, you can tell us, because we have way more that we have.
Things that where you go out, where you buy, where you like, all the, you know, where you dislike about the presentation. Let's change it up now. We're tired that.
Yeah, there's so many things out there that we haven't touched on or talked about. So if you guys want us to do a part 2, definitely. Also share your comments.
Yeah, well, we can talk is what we like. But we not care for my food. I'm not care for this. I'm not care for no right planting. You can't take
it. Like off a right plant.
Yeah, because you don't know say it's like a mad so. Yeah, everybody want right plant. They want to make lunch.
It's a nice little piece of a nice little sweetness. But anyways, before we run off our track, thank you guys for watching.
Track long time.
Thank you guys for watching, and we're gonna see you guys in Vlogmas Day 21.
Remember this.
Mommy, put on the pot holder and the glasses now and stop. Stress all the people there.
Pot holder glasses. Remember those people. Keep away from them.
So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in Vlogmas Day 21.
They must see.
They must see you too.